Healthy hair is not only important for aesthetics but also serves as an indicator of overall health. Maintaining healthy hair can significantly boost our confidence and sense of beauty. Conversely, signs of dullness, dryness, or thinning in our hair often signal underlying health issues. Thus, nurturing our hair and encouraging its growth is crucial for both our physical and mental well-being. Despite the claims of numerous hair care products, external applications typically yield limited results. True improvement in hair health stems from providing our bodies with essential nutrients through a balanced diet. In this video, we'll explore 20 nutrient-rich foods that promote healthy hair growth, packed with vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. Let's start with biotin, one of the most vital nutrients for healthy hair. Here are some foods that are rich in biotin. 1. Eggs. Eggs serve as an excellent reservoir of biotin, a crucial B vitamin necessary for fostering robust hair growth. Biotin plays a pivotal role in the production of keratin, the foundational protein constituting our hair. Incorporating eggs into your diet can effectively contribute to the promotion of resilient and vibrant hair. 2. Almonds. Almonds boast a generous content of biotin, rendering them a superb snack choice for encouraging hair growth. Additionally, they provide a source of beneficial fats that contribute to scalp health. 3. Sweet potatoes. In search of another biotin-rich food? Sweet potatoes emerge as an excellent choice. These versatile tubers not only supply this vital vitamin crucial for robust hair growth but also offer a hefty dose of beta-carotene. Once converted to vitamin A, beta-carotene plays a pivotal role in the production of sebum, vital for sustaining scalp health. 4. Spinach. Among the top contenders for fostering healthy hair growth stands spinach, a leafy green vegetable renowned for its potent properties. Brimming with biotin and an array of vital vitamins and minerals, this nutritional powerhouse delivers the essential nutrients necessary for nurturing vibrant hair. It is also a good source of iron, which we will discuss in more detail later in the video. Now, let's move on to the next group of foods rich in vitamin C. 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruit stand out as exceptional reservoirs of vitamin C, a pivotal nutrient vital for stimulating healthy hair growth. Through its role in bolstering collagen production, a key protein for resilient and vibrant hair, vitamin C contributes to maintaining a lush and radiant mane. 2. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are abundant in this vital nutrient crucial for sustaining healthy hair growth. Moreover, these delectable fruits serve as a potent reservoir of antioxidants, safeguarding your hair follicles from harm and preserving the thickness and vitality of your locks. 3. Kiwi. Kiwi stands out as a fruit abundant in vitamin C, alongside a myriad of other essential vitamins and minerals vital for fostering hair growth. Additionally, it serves as a commendable source of dietary fiber, contributing to the maintenance of a healthy digestive system. 4. Guava. As a delicious tropical treat, this fruit not only serves as a flavorful snack but also provides a substantial dose of vitamin C, crucial for promoting robust hair growth. Guava is also brimming with antioxidants, which play a vital role in shielding your hair from the harmful effects of free radicals. Next, we will be discussing foods that are abundant in vitamin E. 1. Nuts. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios boast high levels of vitamin E, a crucial nutrient essential for fostering robust hair growth. Vitamin E aids in enhancing blood circulation, thereby stimulating the promotion of healthy hair growth. 2. Seeds. Seeds like sunflower, chia, and flax seeds are also exceptional reservoirs of vitamin E. Additionally, they provide a source of beneficial fats that contribute to maintaining scalp health. 3. Avocado. Avocado is a fruit abundant in vitamin E, alongside various other vitamins and minerals essential for promoting hair growth. Furthermore, it serves as a significant source of healthy fats, aiding in the maintenance of hair moisture and overall health. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil, a nutritious oil abundant in vitamin E, offers versatility as both a cooking staple and a flavorful addition to salads and various dishes. Beyond its benefits for hair growth, olive oil also possesses anti-inflammatory properties. We will now discuss foods rich in iron, an essential mineral for healthy hair growth. 1. Red meat. Red meat is abundant in iron, a vital nutrient crucial for fostering healthy hair growth. Iron plays a pivotal role in transporting oxygen to the hair follicles, thereby stimulating hair growth. Nonetheless, it's advisable to consume red meat in moderation due to its potential high saturated fat content. 2. Lentils. Lentils serve as a vegetarian source of iron, offering a suitable alternative for individuals who avoid red meat. Alongside iron, lentils are rich in protein and fiber, contributing to overall bodily health. 3. Spinach. Spinach is yet another iron-rich food. Apart from fostering hair growth, iron plays a role in maintaining a robust immune system. 4. Tofu. Tofu serves as a vegetarian source of both iron and protein, providing a viable choice for those abstaining from meat consumption. Additionally, it offers a substantial amount of calcium, essential for fortifying bones and teeth. Now we will present some zinc-rich foods. 1. Shellfish. Shellfish varieties like oysters, clams, and mussels boast high levels of zinc, a crucial mineral vital for promoting healthy hair growth. Zinc plays a pivotal role in balancing oil production in the scalp, thereby aiding in the prevention of scalp conditions such as dandruff. 2. Beef. Beef is another zinc-rich food option. Moreover, it serves as a valuable source of both protein and iron, essential elements for fostering healthy hair growth. 3. Chickpeas. Chickpeas offer a vegetarian source of zinc, presenting an outstanding option for individuals following a vegetarian diet. Alongside zinc, chickpeas are also rich in protein and fiber, further enhancing their nutritional value. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds stand out as another zinc-rich food choice. Furthermore, they boast healthy fats and antioxidants that contribute to fostering healthy hair growth. And lastly, we present foods that are rich in protein. 1. Fish. Fish varieties like salmon, tuna, and sardines offer abundant protein, which is beneficial for promoting healthy hair growth. Additionally, fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, contributing to the maintenance of well-hydrated and healthy hair. 2. Chicken. Chicken is a protein-packed food abundant in iron and zinc, essential elements for fostering healthy hair growth. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and calcium, crucial for sustaining robust and vibrant hair. Moreover, it is fortified with probiotics that can bolster digestive system health. 4. Beans. Beans such as kidney beans, black beans, and lentils serve as plant-based sources of protein. In addition to protein, they are rich in fiber and iron, both essential for fostering healthy hair growth. Finally, we offer some additional tips for promoting hair growth. 1. Hydration. Maintaining sufficient hydration is essential for fostering healthy hair growth. Inadequate water intake can lead to dry and brittle hair, increasing the risk of breakage and hair loss. 2. Stress management. Stress can adversely affect our hair health. Thus, discovering methods to manage stress, such as engaging in exercise, meditation, or yoga, can support healthy hair growth. 3. Hair styling. Steer clear of overly tight hairstyles like braids or ponytails, as they can strain hair follicles, potentially causing breakage or hair loss over time. Similarly, heat styling tools such as flat irons or curling wands can harm hair by depleting its natural oils and resulting in dryness and brittleness. 4. Getting enough sleep. While asleep, the body undergoes a repair and regeneration process essential for the growth of hair cells. Insufficient sleep can disturb this natural cycle, leading to weakened hair follicles and delayed growth. Hence, ensuring adequate sleep is vital to safeguarding your hair from damage. 5. Taking hair supplements. Supplements for hair enriched with essential vitamins and minerals like biotin, vitamin D, and iron can support healthy hair growth. Nevertheless, it's imperative to seek advice from a healthcare provider before starting any supplementation regimen. Ultimately, integrating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your diet can contribute to promoting robust hair growth. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.